What if I told you that you could build a fully functional AI-powered content marketing platform in less than 10 minutes without writing a single line of code? No, seriously. I'm talking about a real app with web scraping, AI content generation, user authentication, and a database, all deployed to a custom domain. And the best part? You just talk to it. Stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how I built this, and trust me, you're going to want to try this yourself. So, let's dive in. So today, we're diving into something I've been absolutely geeking out about, Blink.new. It's this insane AI app builder that lets you create production-ready applications just by having a conversation with AI. And I know what you're thinking, another no-code tool? But no, this is different. This is what I call vibe coding. You describe what you want, and the AI actually builds it for you. To show you just how powerful this is, I'm building something practical today, an AI content marketing platform. Here's the concept. Users paste their website URL, the app scrapes and analyzes their site to understand their business and brand voice. Then the AI suggests content topics and writes social media posts, blog articles, or email newsletters for them. It's like having a content marketing team in your pocket. So let's jump in and build this thing together. Alright, first things first. Head over to Blink.new. I'll drop the link in the description. When you land on the homepage, you'll see this clean interface with a chat box. That's literally your entire development environment. No complicated dashboards, no overwhelming menus. Just you and the AI. To get started, click here and create an account. Once you are logged in, you can start creating your full-stack app. The process is very simple. You have to enter the app idea here in this box. For example, I am entering Create an AI content marketing platform. Users should be able to sign up with email authentication, paste their website URL, and the app will scrape and analyze the site to understand their business and brand voice. Based on this analysis, generate content topic suggestions. Users can select topics, and the AI will write social media posts, blog articles, or email newsletters. Include a dashboard to view content history, and a database to store user profiles and generated content. After entering the prompt, we have to set some settings. If you already have any assets like UI design or any other document, you can upload them from here. I will start from scratch. So, I am skipping this time. Next, we have to select the LLM model. Currently, it is set to auto. However, you can choose a model manually. You will have access to all the popular LLM models, including the latest versions of Claude, Gemini, GPT, and others. You can select anyone from here, or just select the auto mode to choose the right one by AI. In the end, you can set your project to public or private. If you keep your app public, other users will be able to view and remix the app. Okay, once everything is set, hit the send button, and now AI will handle the rest. Blink is already thinking. You'll see it start breaking down the project, planning the database schema, setting up authentication, and literally building the entire backend infrastructure. This is wild because normally, this would take hours or even days to set up manually. Okay, so while Blink is working its magic, let me explain what's actually happening behind the scenes. Blink isn't just generating some front-end mockup, it's creating a full-stack application. Look at this. It's already creating a database schema for users, websites, topics, and generated content. Next, the AI will build an authentication flow with email and password. After that, create a dashboard layout with sidebar navigation. Build a website analysis feature, scrape and analyze. Create content topic suggestions. UI, build content generation feature, posts, articles, newsletters, and create content history view with filtering. Alright, the initial build is done and I can already see a working prototype. The app is fully mobile responsive and looks great. Let's create an account and see how it looks. I am creating an account. And here it is, we are now in the dashboard, and it's super simple and clean. I love it. But here's where it gets even cooler. We can refine this with natural language edits. Let me show you what I mean. I'm looking at the dashboard and I want to make it more user-friendly. So I'm just going to tell Blink, make the dashboard more visual. Add cards for each generated content piece with the topic, content type, and creation date. Include a button to copy content to clipboard and another to regenerate. Watch how fast this happens. Blink understands exactly what I want and updates the interface in real time. Now we've got these beautiful content cards with all the information displayed clearly. The copy button is right there, and users can regenerate content if they're not happy with the first version. But I want to take this further. The web scraping feature is cool, but I want to make sure it's actually extracting useful information. So I'm telling Blink, when scraping the website, extract the company name, industry, main products or services, and analyze the tone of voice from the homepage content. Display this analysis to the user before generating content topics. And just like that, Blink is updating the scraping logic. It's adding natural language processing to analyze the tone, whether it's professional, casual, technical, or friendly. This is important because the AI-generated content needs to match the brand's voice. Okay, let's actually test this thing. I'm on the main dashboard and it's prompting me to add my website. I'm going to use a business website, let's say a coffee shop called Brewhaven. I'm pasting the URL and hitting Analyze. Look at this. The app is scraping the website in real time. I can see a loading animation, and within seconds, it's showing me the analysis. It identified the business as a specialty coffee shop, extracted their focus on artisanal brewing and community space, and even detected that their tone is warm and inviting with a touch of sophistication. This is exactly what we need for generating on-brand content. Now it's suggesting content topics. I'm seeing things like the art of specialty coffee, gourmet food pairings, creating the perfect ambiance, and health-conscious delights. These are genuinely good topics that make sense for a coffee shop. Let me select the art of pour-over coffee. I'm clicking Generate and the AI is writing. Okay, this is impressive. It created a social post that explains pour-over coffee in an engaging way, uses the warm and inviting tone we identified, and even includes a call to action to visit the shop. Let me try the blog post option for the same topic. And look at this. It's longer, more professional, but still maintains that brand voice. It's formatted perfectly for a blog with proper spacing. The copy to clipboard button works perfectly, and I can see all my generated content saved in the history section. This is a fully functional app, and we built it in less than 10 minutes. Now here's the final piece that really blows my mind. Deployment. With traditional development, you'd need to set up hosting, configure environment variables, set up a production database, and deal with all sorts of DevOps headaches. With Blink, it's already live. Every Blink project gets an automatic URL, but we can do better than that. I want to show you how to add a custom domain, because that's what makes this feel like a real professional product. In the Blink settings, there's a domain section. You can add a custom domain to your app or project. Let me take a step back and talk about why this matters. We just built something that solves a real problem. Content marketing is time-consuming and expensive. Small businesses and solopreneurs struggle to maintain a consistent content presence because they don't have the resources for a full marketing team. But here's what really excites me about Blink. It's not just for simple projects. The platform includes everything you need for complex applications: a full PostgreSQL database, edge functions for custom backend logic, file storage with CDN, built-in AI models like GPT and Whisper, and even data APIs for web scraping and screenshots. You could build SaaS products, internal business tools, AI-powered applications, or even mobile apps. And because everything is included, hosting, database, authentication, you're not juggling multiple services or dealing with integration headaches. So, if you want to make your first app, head over to Blink.new and just start describing it. Be specific about what you want, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. You will get the link in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about Blink AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.